Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one of these at a low cost. Fast and free shipping. All you got to do is click that link, add it to your cart, and check out. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is staying home, staying safe. And there we go. Let's see what's inside here. Or you could pick up a couple for yourself. Oh boy. Alright. This is going to be sweet to look at. It's a massager for your shoulders and neck. Here's all the good stuff. Hope that's in Chinese. Massager for your every need. So we got the blue version. Just gotta put it over your shoulders. Alright, let's take a look inside. Got the manual right there. Comes with the remote. Whoa. It's a fancy dancy. You guys might want to stock up now. Great stocking stuffers for somebody, for your boss, for yourself, for your wife. Electro mode, switch mode, intensity, charging interface. Oh, that's going to be fun. There's the remote. Alright, let's take a look. Inside this thing, here we go. Whoa, look at this little guy. We got batteries. Okay, batteries comes in. Battery slot right there. And we got the USB cable. And here she is. Kind of like a headset. Here's the buttons. Where USB goes right here. If I could get this out. Come on. There we go. That's where the USB goes to charge it. How do you turn this out? Here we go. There's the buttons. Okay. Got that. Where's the remote? Hold on one sec. Alright guys, here it is. I got it around my neck. Right there, there's the buttons you can press. You might want to water down your neck area to get the full effects. There we go. Ooh. This feels really good around up in here. And then on this side. Right there. And then there. So really cool. They got, like I said, comes with a remote. Lights up. And then you can adjust your different modes through it. For all you travelers, or you're roofing, everything with construction or whatnot, this will help you relax more, especially working from home now. Take the time to relax, enjoy it, and like I said, this will be a nice little stocking stuffer to give somebody, yourself, a family member that you don't know what to give them. But definitely check these guys out. I'll leave the links down below where you can order these now. and they'll ship this to you really fast. So really cool, nice travel size, lightweight, got the flex going around your neck. So, alright YouTubers, be safe, have a good night, and see you soon.